Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, ladies and gentlemen, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times a week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Khalid Rnb Drumkit, called Dumb and Broke, Kid Type. You know that song, yeah, from Khalid's album. So there's so many nice sounds in here. There's kicks, there's snares, there's midis, there's percussion. I have some vocal shots in here as well. I have some drum loops. I have some hats. I have some bass samples. Some nice goodies in here for you to actually look forward to. So everything has been nicely processed. So I went a little bit extra on the drums this time. So I feel like this one I made the kicks a little bit heavy, a little bit punchy. So what I want is every time you in your beat making process, you don't take a lot of time. So you just put the kick there, you just make your drum pattern, you make your instrument, you compress it, just compress it a little bit, just do some stuff here and there and just get out of there. No one wants to be doing the same thing for almost, for hours, just there, man. So you want to finish that and just move on to the next project. So that's what I've been trying to do here. That's what I was trying to do here. So the kicks, the snares, everything, I'll be showing you that in a minute. So without moving further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So I'm gonna start you off first with the midis as always. Then we'll go back to the drums. So I'm just go ahead and load up mixes here. So I'm gonna use this Nix's grand piano. I feel like it's the best, for sake of demonstration purposes. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI. So I'll be using a BPM or let's say 80. Yes. So let's go ahead and do that. Right. Wait, let me just turn up the volume here a little bit. All right. So the next one called Anxiety. All right, Fly With Me. All right, Jagged Edges. Sorry for that. right, next, stereotype. So yeah, man, that's it. That's it for the middies, man. Straight up fire, man. Straight up fire, man. It's a little bit of push just to help you in that beat making process. If you're getting stuck somewhere, it gives you a start, and you can go as far as tweaking the middies if you don't like what you're hearing, just to adjust it to your own, liking. So that's it for the middies, man. So let's go ahead and move on to the drums. So first, drum loop here. Second loop. All right, hats. Yeah, kicks. Yeah, man, you can hear like it's already kind of hitting, so you don't really have to do much on that. So let's go ahead, percussion. Sorry. Snares. The vocal shots I told you about. Sonory. So, bass samples. This is an 808. Yeah, here's a bass sample. So man, that's it. That's it for the sauce, man. That's it for the sauce, bro. So yeah, link in the description down below. Should be pretty much, straightforward. But if you're getting any problems, just hit me up on my number or my email, and I'll get back to you quick. So yeah, man. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the whole thing, man. And I'm always trying to get, better, so because I want to show that the product, that I'm serving you guys is actually, quality guaranteed. So yeah, man. So that's it. So enjoy the drum kit, make crazy banging beats, and I'ma see you on the next one. Goodbye. Stay safe. Namaste.
Tired of hoping what we becoming. Fly with me, babe, that's 100. Fly with me, babe, fly with me. It's down in the ocean.